Hello, my name is Laurel Papworth, and last year you may have done a website WordPress course with me. Well, I'm back again in April to Mudgee to teach a Facebook Foundation course. In the course, we're going to look at the differences between a personal profile, a business page, Facebook events, Facebook groups, all the different apps that Facebook has. You're going to set up a Facebook page from scratch. If you've already got one, don't worry about it. It only takes a few minutes, and we're going to make sure it's set up correctly. And then we're going to look at how to build your page, get more likes and subscribers, get more engagement, people sharing and commenting and enjoying your content and making sure their friends see your content. We're going to look at content calendars and engagement calendars and influencer calendars, and how often should you be posting and how many times a week and all that sort of fun stuff. A lot of people want to know about buying attention, so we're going to look at boosted posts, self-serve ad management. That's the second ad platform that Facebook have, and pixel retargeting. We'll definitely cover off what that is. If you don't know, don't worry about it. It's covered in the course. We're going to look at analytics and metrics and make sure that you know how to read the insights area and what actions to take. What else? Oh, there's such a lot. We're going to look at adding in call to actions such as sign up for the email newsletter, and then little apps like the Instagram, YouTube, Twitter app to your page, how to add a shop to your page so that people can buy directly from within Facebook, and how to add a competition app, all sorts of things. You will need a laptop, so don't forget to bring the laptop, and for goodness sake, don't forget the power supply, because laptops run out of power real quick. We'll provide the Wi-Fi in Mudgee. And bring your phone, but bring the laptop. The phone will only do so much. For the rest of it, we need to use the laptop to at least set it up, and then the rest of the time you can run everything from your mobile phone if you need to. I really hope that I see you there in April. If you have any questions, please let the organisers know. It's the Mudgee Chamber of Commerce, and all the information will be in the link below. See you in Mudgee in a few weeks' time.